If you have misplaced your iPhone somewhere in your house and if it is in silent mode, then let us see how to find it. For that one, you need to open a site called iCloud.com and then use the Apple ID to sign into the iCloud. Then I will sign into my iCloud account. Remember that you also need to sign into your iCloud account in your iPhone, so you must have signed into the iCloud account in your iPhone. Now after that, select this option, find iPhone. Now it will start to locate the device. So it found my device. This is the location. I'll click here and I'll go to my iPhone. Then what I can do from here is I can play the sound. So wherever my iPhone is there in my house, there will be a sound which is played in the iPhone, and I will find out where it is. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.